Good morning, students. Today we will start word problems of addition and subtraction. That is our worksheet 2. And first word problem is: a soap factory produced 26,92,645 soap cakes in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 8,67,205 soap cakes more. How many soap cakes did the factory produce in the second year? Students, whenever you do any word problem, you must read the word problem twice or thrice so that you can understand the word problem and select the operation that is to be applied. So once again we'll read this word problem. A soap factory produced 26,92,645 soap cakes in 1 year. In the next year, it produced 8,67,205 soap cakes more. How many soap cakes did the factory produce in second year? So, which operation will apply? We apply addition. Soap cakes produced in 1 year, you will write equal to 26,92,645. But remember, don't put commas here. And next year produced more. How many? 8,67,205. But when you arrange second number, you will start writing from the right side. Here you have observed below 2 there is no number. And what we have to find? Soap cake produced in second year. Firstly, add these two numbers and you will get the answer as 35,59,850. Next word problem is: in 1 year, Mr. Mohan earned rupees 5,57,088 and his wife earned rupees 3,23,672 and their son earned rupees 2,96,750. How much money did Mr. Mohan's family earn in 1 year? So, we have to add Mr. Mohan's earning, his wife's earning and their son earning in 1 year, and after adding them, the sum will come as the answer. So, you will do it yourself. Okay. Next, C part. In an examination conducted by an educational organization, 15,83,693 candidates appeared. Out of these, 7,49,865 passed. How many candidates failed in the examination? Remember, you have to read the statement twice or thrice so that you can easily understand the word problem. So once again we'll read it. In an examination conducted by an educational organization, 15,83,693 candidates appeared. Out of these, 7,49,865 passed? How many candidates failed in the examination? So from total candidates you will minus passed candidates and then you will get the failed candidates. So the statement will be like this. So candidates appeared in exam, you will write 15,83,693 and candidate passed in exam, you will start writing from the right side, that is 7,49,865 and then you will subtract as you have done yesterday. Okay, and then you get the difference and this is the answer. 8,33,828 candidates are failed. Next question is, in an election the winning candidate got 6,28,496 votes and his rival got 4,56,298 votes. If 3,846 votes were declared invalid, what was the total number of votes polled? We have to find total number of votes polled. So again we have to add to find out total number of votes polled. So we'll write the statement as winning candidate got, rival candidate got, invalid votes and then total number of votes polled, and after adding these three numbers the sum will comes as answer. And last word problem is, find the sum of greatest 8-digit, 7-digit and 6-digit numbers. You have to find the sum. So you have to add greatest 8-digit number, greatest 7-digit number and greatest 6-digit number, and after adding these three numbers you will get the sum. Hope you will do these sums using this video and check it with the answers that I have sent. Thank you.